Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School. I am Nida Subramanian, your English faculty. So, how are you, my students? I hope you are all doing very fine. First of all, let me just give you a very hearty congratulations on your 10th results. Of course, that was a real hard work that you had done, and you have come out with some amazing results, and hats off to you. Really need to celebrate this happiness and joy. So now we are moving to the next stage of our life, that is our +1, +2 classes. So are you excited, children? You're just going into an online classes. We should have had a wonderful welcome for all of these hardworking and brilliant students. But you know the current situation right now. It's a pandemic and we are all stuck at home. But don't worry, our classes are on and we are going to have a very wonderful time together in your +1. Let's hope that this gets over very fast and we'll get to meet each other very soon. Let me start with a wonderful quote by Colin Powell. A dream does not become a reality through magic. It takes sweat, hard work, and perseverance. I need not say to you, my dear children, that to achieve success, you need to really work hard. Having completed your 10th standard does not mean that it is time to give rest to your hard work. We need to toil together to achieve greater dreams and higher goals. You have chosen a stream of your choice and you have already set your goal. Now is the time for you all to work hard to achieve your goals. Let us get back to the academic part. As I said, I will be handling English for you along with Renuga ma'am. There are 2 textbooks for English this year. Renuga ma'am will be taking the Hornbill text for you and I would be taking the snapshots text along with the writing. So let us just get into the textbook and the syllabus that you have to study for this year. Snapshots is a supplementary reader, but you're well aware that from the main reader and the supplementary textbooks, questions are asked of equal importance and marks. Our supplementary reader, that is Snapshots text, includes 8 chapters and 8 beautiful stories. It teaches you a lot of values along with how to improve yourself to become a better person. Like there is a story about how important mothers are in our life. There is a satirical story about child marriage which was prevalent in our society. There is also a great story about human relationships, life and death. So, lot of important concepts we are going to learn this year. The next section which I would be handling is your writing section. For all official purposes and formal correspondence, writing is still very important. So to improve your career prospects and build a good future, it is very important that you know how to write in a formal language and present things in a neat and proper manner. So we would be studying about posters, advertisements, letters, and many more. So this sums up our academic portion for this year. English is a very important subject, the importance gaining in the current situation. We are seeing how the world is shrinking to become a very small world where people are joining hands together and there is no differences between people in caste, color, creed or countries. Hence, enhancing and improving your communication skills in English becomes vital importance. So I hope, children, that together this year we will be able to make some wonderful moments together and improve your language and make you better citizens of the world. Thank you and have a nice day.